Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ba mag-register ng CoC 10 sa token text gamit ating mobile phone. Okay guys, before tayo mag-start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Pindutin lang ang subscribe button, ang bell para ma-notify kayo kapag may bago akong video. So okay guys, let's start. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is dial nyo ang asterisk 1, 2, 3, number sign, then call. Okay guys, then magpapop up dyan na instruction. So, ang gawin nyo lang is hanapin nyo yung other offers. So, bale yung other offers is number 6. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is type nyo yung 6 and click nyo yung send. Another pop-up ulit na instruction, then hanapin naman nyo yung games. So meron dyan pamimilian na 1 to 14. So yung games nasa number 14. So bali, ang gawin nyo is type nyo yung 14 then click nyo yung send. So ayun guys, may makikita niyo dyan yung CoC 10. So bali yung CoC 10 is nasa number 2. So ang gagawin nyo lang, type nyo yung 2, then click nyo yung send. So okay guys, mga sabi dito is get 200 MB class of clan every day for 3 days for only 10 pesos. To subscribe this promo, type nyo yung 1. Yung 1 is yung subscribe. So, bali, type nyo yung 1, then click nyo yung send. So, okay guys. Yun lang, and thank you. At text information will be sent shortly. Remember to always use asterisk 123 to get the latest and best offer of token text. Okay guys. Para nga pala makaregister sa promo na ito is kailangan nyo ng regular 10 pesos to register this promo. Okay, yun lang guys, and thank you for watching.